Investing in mortgage notes can be a powerful way to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. But to succeed, it's important to understand the mortgage note investment process from start to finish. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the key stages of the process, giving you the clarity and confidence to invest wisely. Step 1 is setting your investment goals. Every successful investment begins with a plan. Clearly define what you want to achieve, whether it's monthly cash flow or long-term growth, or maybe a balance of both. You're understanding your financial targets and risk tolerance. These goals will shape every decision you make going forward. Step 2 is finding the right mortgage note. Once your goals are in place, it's time to find the mortgage note that fits your investment strategy. Focus on key factors such as the type of property securing the note, the location, and the borrower's financial profile. Choosing the right note lays the foundation for a successful investment. Step 3 is conducting due diligence. Before you make any purchase, due diligence is critical. Review the borrower's payment history, the condition and the value of the property, and look for any red flags. Taking the time to evaluate risk upfront protects your investment and helps avoid costly surprises. Step 4 is reviewing the legal paperwork. Carefully examine all documents related to the mortgage note, including the promissory note, the mortgage, sometimes called deed of trust, and the payment records. Ensuring accuracy and legal soundness safeguard you from future disputes or issues. Step 5 is registering your ownership. Once everything checks out, officially register the mortgage note in your name. This step is essentially to establish your legal ownership and enforce your rights as the note holder. Step 6 is managing the note. With ownership secured, it's time to manage the asset. Monitor payments, address any delinquencies, and critically maintain communication with the borrower. Good management ensures steady cash flow and protects your investment value. Step 7 is developing an exit strategy. Every smart investment includes an exit plan. Whether you intend to hold the note for long term, sell it, or perhaps leverage it for another opportunity. Having a clear strategy helps you meet your goals and reduce the risk. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate the mortgage note investment process. From setting your goals to planning your exit, each phase supports smart, informed decisions. Do you need help getting started or have questions about any of these steps? Just drop them down in the comments below. We're always happy to help.